सो हेलो के छ हालखबर सो म चाहिँ दसबाट आज एउटा स्मार्ट वाच अर्डर गरेको थिएँ लेट्स अनबक्स इट and this is X8 Ultra. Okay, let's unbox it. So yeah, the best option is pen ko kam ke kam chahiyo pen ko. This is the way to futain. Unbox the first time okay, come on man, come on. Yeah, so user manual आएको छ हामीसँग user manual कति लामो हो so user manual हाम्रो के कामै छैन so पछि पढ्ने हो wow, look at the design guys, look at the design man, just look at this design. Just look at the wow. Okay. Wow. The textile is so good and again norms again. So this is all this and this is better wow. Norms are to children jolly, and the as this guy. Wow. Charger can help in this one. Yeah, and that has charger. Yeah. That's point of relatives. Okay, let's unbox this. Okay, let's unbox this. So cover set up, cover that on you. Okay. Okay, let's unbox this. Wow. See the textile man. Wow. See it. Did I say mistake? I was a sim laksa, single sim. Okay. So this was button, say on button. Okay. Wow. Wow guys, wow. मलाई चाहिँ लुगा आइरहेछ दिस वाज This was X8 Ultra only combo edition. On will take some time लाग्छ and already starting. Wow. That was on. Wow. Okay. And this I can use YouTube on sale. Okay. Okay, that's good. Well, it's like as well connect to the internet. Well, let's connect this to the internet. भोलि एउटा रनिङ जानु छ, बाह्र रमाइलो हुन्छ. Someone says पासवर्ड कसरी हान्ने यार? स्क्यान हुँदैन. I don't know the password. Password चाहिँ मलाई हेर्नै पर्छ. ओके, पछि हेरौँला पासवर्ड के हाल्नेछ अन्त हैन. सो हट रेट छ मुभी नि. ओके, म्युजिक ट्राई हाल्नु. ठिक छ. सो यो दाइम्स फेसबुक सब रहेछ हैन. ओके, लेट्स सी इट्स मोर सेटिङ. Okay, this was just too much easy for us. So back to the start on this now. We have many more settings: file manager, storage. 4 GB used version 16 GB. Well, okay. So this one for today. अनि तपाईहरुलाई किन्नु छ भने किन्न सक्नुहुन्छ. Astro Ultra was a get राम्रै छ है. राम्रो लाग्यो मलाई चाहिँ Astro Ultra. So thank you. So yeah, thank you. Welcome. Bye bye. Someone else adds र पासवर्ड यो कुन नभए. ओके, कनेक्टिङ भनेर कनेक्टेड. ओके, ब्याक जाम. अब युट्युब चलाउने कोसिस गरौँ. युट्युब यार. YouTube. Yeah, back to online. So Encam search गरौँ. I'm telling obviously वो मेरे पेज आउनु पर्यो. मेरै च्यानल आउनु पर्यो. उठ्वाला हेर. Suck it out. Just the government will like the razor. 207 सब्सक्राइबर. अब यसको नोइज हेर्नु त, साउन्ड क्वालिटीहरू पनि कस्तो आउँदो रहेछ. सो हु आर नोज नो, यो चाहिँ मेरो है. क्याम्पेन अफिसियल एज माइन. यसको आवाज टेस्ट गरौँ भनेको. भिडियो खोलिन्छ चेक गर्नु एकछिनमा. ओके, भिडियो क्वालिटी चाहिँ त्यति राम्रो आउँदैन किनकि नो एचडी. खै मेरो नि एउटा फोटो खिच्नु न. छट्ट हेर्दा मेरो बुवाको उमेरको मान्छे, सिधा फाटेको ढाका टोपी, जेनमा
नाइक लेखेको मैलो टी सर्ट त्यसमाथि पुरा
Wow, 185.
पनि माथि त्यही मैलो ज्याकेट
यहाँ 180 मा आउँदैछ भाइ यसले अलिकति काम नगरेको चल्दैछ So yeah, this was an Asset Alta. Asset Alta, first SB Alta Home Combo Edition. So I like it, yeah, I like it. Standard lagyo अनि यहाँ चाहिँ गाह्रो भयो चल्न है